Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm at the campground today, and I'm going to be here for tonight and one more night before I head back to the farmhouse. And I want to do a test run on the river to see if we can catch any mud bugs. I'm just going to set 2 traps, throw them in tonight. We'll look at them tomorrow and see how we did, and that'll tell us if I want to set more traps in here next week. For bait this time, I'm going to use, I've never done this before, I'm going to use cow kidneys. I got these from Brian the Butcher, and if they work out, I can get pretty much as many of these as I want. So we're just going to throw one in, we're not going to bag it or anything, and see what happens. It's 86 degrees right now. It got up to 92 today. It's supposed to be 90 again, or 90 or 91 tomorrow. We've had plenty of warm weather, so that water should be warmed up enough. Hopefully the spot down here that I want to put the traps, there's nobody camped there. I don't know, it's a nice looking camp spot, but we'll see. I really wasn't planning on putting a trap in here. I wanted to try it, but not my first run. But all the campsites where I wanted to put one by that tree that was in the river, they're all full of people. Well, I got one in the river. We should know tomorrow if there's any mud bugs in here or not. Okay everyone, tomorrow after work, we'll go pull those 2 traps and see how we did. I'm really not expecting anything in this trap. I just didn't have any other choice because there's so many people camping down here. I did see some other spots. If I got some up in the river, when I come back down next week, I can go on the other side of the road I come down here on, and there's no camping spots up there, so I'll be able to set some traps. Oh, muddy. Nothing at all in that one. Nothing. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. That was a bummer. It's literally only 10 miles down the river from here that I catch all of the crayfish. But it's not sandy like this, it's all rocky there. Looks like I'm gonna have to go back to my regular spot. With the bait I had in this trap, there was no reason why, if there was any crayfish here, I wouldn't have had at least one in the trap. This is a couple weeks earlier in the season that I normally would trap, but that's no excuse. It's been warm. Jeff, one of the subscribers to the channel for a long time, last week up at the farmhouse, he brought us down crayfish that he caught an hour or so north of the farmhouse, which is still 3 hours north of here. If there were any in the river here, we would have caught something. I will see you guys on the next video.